Now concentrate on the board, don't miss any point. According to Ampere's circuit law, flux density is equal to what? Mu H, where mu is called what? Anyone tell me? As we know this relation very well, flux density is equal to Ampere's circuit law, mu H. What is mu is called? What is mu is called? Permeability, very good. Mu is called what? Permeability. Mu is called permeability. So for can I write permeability is nothing but mu naught into mu r. Mu naught into mu r. Can I write like that? Where mu naught is equal to what? Mu naught is equal to absolute permittivity. Yes, absolute permittivity. Where mu r is called? Where mu r is called? Where mu r is called? Come on. Mu r is called relative permeability of what? Relative permeability of what? Come on, tell me, correct. Relative permeability, not permeability, Pooja. It is relative permeability. Relative permeability of what? Not air. You cannot say air directly. Yeah, magnetic material, Pooja, perfect. Magnetic core medium. Medium. That is correct word. Magnetic core medium. Are you getting my point? Mu r is the relative permeability. Relative permeability. Are you getting my point? Relative permeability of the core medium, which is equal to flux density na B. Don't miss any point. Please focus top to bottom. Please focus top to bottom. Now, how to write flux density? Can I write flux density is nothing but flux by area of the core. Sorry, area of the core mu naught mu r into h. H, how to write h? Can I write h as mmf by length of conductor? Any doubts? If you have any doubt, you can ask directly. Just from the previous conclusions I have taken, flux density I am writing like flux by area of the core mu naught mu r, and h is mmf by length of the conductor. Then what is the flux? What is the flux? Can I write flux is nothing but mmf by just look at here, mmf by I want to write length of conductor whole divided by mu naught mu r area of the core. Can I write like that? Why? This area of the core is multiplied here. This area of the core is multiplied here, and then I have shifted below this. Length of the thank you so much. Length of the core, very good. Length of the core, very good. Length of the core, is it clear? Area of the core into mu naught into mu r. I shifted below this. Can I write like that? If it is go numerator, is it same? Now you tell me, what is the relationship between the flux and reluctance? Come on, what is the relationship between the flux and reluctance? What is the relationship between the flux and reluctance? Directly proportional or indirectly proportional? Come on. Yes, inversely. Now, as it looks like a, as we know, mmf is equal to what? Flux into reluctance na? Flux into reluctance na? Correct? Therefore, what is flux? mmf by reluctance, correct? You just compare only one thing. Just compare this. Can I say this whole denominator is equal to reluctance? Just to compare. Both are same, correct? That reluctance is nothing but this denominator only. Yes or not? Quick. Now you tell me. Reluctance is equal to length of the core divided by mu naught mu r and area of the core. I hope you understand. I hope you understand how we have written this. Is it clear, everybody? I am taking you step by step. Don't go anywhere. Please concentrate each and every point. Now, tell me, reluctance is inversely proportional to mu r. Is it correct? Reluctance is inversely proportional to mu r. Tell me, is it mu naught is constant or variable? Achha, you tell me, mu naught, is it constant or variable? Tell me, mu naught, is it constant? Yes, constant. Yes, constant. Once if the design, once, see here, once if the design is going to be performed, always mu naught is constant, then three possibilities are there. Length of the core, relative permeability, area of the core. Three possibilities I have. Tell me, always you want to prefer low reluctance or high reluctance? Tell me. Low reluctance or high reluctance? Come on. Low reluctance. Everybody. Low reluctance means, बताओ एक बार, low reluctance means you have to either increase the core, correct or not? You have to increase the area of the core or you have to increase the permeability. Tell me, out of these two, which is best? Please follow carefully. Always we will prefer low reluctance to flow the more flux. Area of the core we have to increase or permeability of the core we have to increase? Come on. Area of the core or permeability? Yes, permeability, relative permeability. Why we are not increasing the area of the core? Reason simple. If you increase the area of the core, the size of the machine will increase, na? If I increase the area of the core, can I say size of the machine will increase? Yes, I don't want to increase my size. I want to keep my size as small as possible, but I want to provide low reluctance. Of course, cost is also. I want to go for low reluctance. Then, which is possible? Can I say reluctance is inversely proportional to relative permeability? Yes or not? Can I say reluctance is inversely proportional to relative permeability? Come on. Relative permeability? Yes. Why? Look at here. Reluctance is inversely proportional to relative permeability. Now concentrate here. Reluctance is inversely proportional to relative permeability. Now you tell me. Relative permeability should be high for which material? Relative permeability will be high for which material? I will give you four options: wood, plastic, rubber, iron core material. Which one will have? Which one will have? Wood, plastic, rubber, iron core material. Which one will have? Iron core material. It means, tell me, you want to prefer a good magnetic material means, can I say a iron material you need to prefer? An iron ore you need to prefer, right or not? Yes. What is the best example for high permeability material? What is the best example for high permeability material? Best example for high permeability material is silicon steel, correct? Yes, perfect. Silicon steel is the best example for high permeability material, correct? Yeah. CRGO, because for transformer we are going to use for cold rolled grain orientation steel we will use, because to increase the flux density. That we will see in transformers. Okay? Everybody is it clear? Now, okay? Chalo. Don't write anything and look at me. I will tell you in shortcut. Look at that. I have two circuits. Listen properly. I have two circuits. One electric circuit, one magnetic circuit. Tell me, who is the source behind for production of current in electric circuit? Answer, quick. Who is the source behind for the production of electric current in electrical circuits? EMF, or you can call it as a potential difference, or you can call it as a source voltage, induced voltage. Okay? Similarly, just I'm not saying equal, I said analogy. Analogy means what? This and this almost behaves like same but different medium. That is the meaning, na? This electric circuit, magnetic circuit behaving like same to same, but medium is different. Can I say that? Yeah. Now I'm going to magnetic medium. Look at that. I'm going to magnetic medium. Now I have a magnetic core material. Now listen. I have a magnetic core material. Who is the responsible person for production of a flux? Who is the responsible person for production of flux? Why MMF? Point number 1. I'll tell you why MMF. Why you are saying MMF? Reason I'll tell you simple. What is the flux? Flux is a magnetic parameter or electric parameter? Come on, tell me. What is the flux? Magnetic parameter. So that is why its source we are calling it as a magnetomotive force. Are you getting my point? The production of the output is magnetic parameter. That is why we are calling it as a magnetic motive force. But how MMF is producing? Tell me, how MMF is producing? Are you getting MMF directly in the air? Are you getting MMF directly in the air? No. How we are producing MMF? How we are producing MMF? We are providing current into the conductors, correct? We are providing current into the conductor, but that conductors having turns or no turns? Having turns or no turns? Yes. Whenever if we have a turns, finite number of turns, then we will call what? That is called coil, na? This is my conductor. Because 0 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct or not? Now can I say these are my turns? What is it? It is a coil, na? 0 turns multiplied with current. 0 turns multiplied with current. What is MMF? Come on, quick. 0 turns multiplied with current. 0 turns multiplied with current. What is MMF? 0. If MMF 0, is there any flux production? Is there any flux production? Come on, tell me. Is there any flux production? No. It means to produce flux, what you require? Come on, step by step, come to with me. To produce flux, what you require? To produce flux, what you require? MMF. If you want to get MMF, must and should you have at least one turn you have, na? At least one turn you should have, correct? At least one turn you should have. Can I say that? At least one turn. Tell me, with only turns can you get MMF, or the turn should contain current? The turn should carry the current. Again, I'm asking. Tell me, with the turns, is it possible to get MMF, or current also should flow? Yes, correct. Therefore, can I say the flux is analogy of current? Current also there. Therefore, can I say flux is analogy of current? If resistance is the property to oppose the flow of current means, then what is for flux? If the resistance is the property of opposing the current means, then what about the flux? Come on, tell me. What about the flux? Reluctance. Therefore, that is opposition, this is also opposition. Resistance, reluctance. It's replica. It's analogy. Analogy means not same. They will work like as it is, but different medium. That is the meaning. Similarly, current. First source, the source behind current is EMF. The source behind flux is MMF. Now, I hope everything is clear, everybody, till now. Till now. Doubts are clear? Doubts are clear? Are you comfortable now? Don't get panicked, okay? Don't get panicked. Please travel with me. Sure, I'll make you to clear. Now, so from that only, I have taken this relation. We know according to Ampere circuit law, B is equal to mu H. B I am writing flux by area of the core. Area of the core, right? Why area of the core I have written? Why not area of the conductor? Because it is a flux density or a current density. Come on. Is it a flux density or a current density? Quick. Flux density. Flux is a magnetic parameter. Magnetic parameter means core material. Magnetic parameter means core material. Correct? Magnetic parameter means core material. Similarly, field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. Again, it is a magnetic parameter. So, definitely core material. Okay? I hope you understand. Clear? After that, I am writing like this. Is it looks like a MMF is equal to flux into reluctance? Is it looks like a MMF is equal to flux into reluctance? From this flux is equal to MMF by reluctance. You just compare this denominator with this denominator.
Can I say this is nothing but this? Tell me. This is a constant. You cannot do anything with this because always we need low reluctance, na? I cannot increase the area of the core. Then size will increase, cost also will increase. I am not invest much money. I don't want to invest much money. My objective is to get low reluctance. It is possible by high permeability. What is meant by permeability? Meaning, tell me. What is meant by permeability? Come on, tell me. What is meant by permeability? Permeability means what? Permeability means what? It is nothing but giving permission to allow the flux. What is that? Giving permission. Permeability means what? Giving permission to allow the flux. Yes? Correct or not? Ability to establish the flux. Anything is correct. To permit flux through it. Correct? Giving permission to allow the flux. Okay? So it means a material you should have, but it should allow more flux or less flux. Which material you want to prefer always? Come on. You require a core material. You need to have a more flux send or less flux you want to send. Which one you want to send? Come on. More flux you have to send. More flux you have to send means it should have a more permeability or low permeability? More permeability. More permeability means which material is providing more permeability? Wood, iron, plastic. Which one? Wood, iron, plastic. Which one? Iron core material, right? Iron core material. What is the best example for? What is the best example for having more permeability? Having more permeability is nothing but what? Is nothing but what? Silicon steel. Yes or not? Now till it is clear? Silicon steel. Still it is clear? Correct? Yes. Please note on this. After that, I will go to the next point. Okay? Please take down this. Here I want to do a shortcut and clear visualization. Till now what we have discussed, I will put it in 2 points. Tell me, this is my equivalent circuit. Just type yes or no only. Is it my equivalent circuit of electrical circuit? Is it my equivalent representation of my electric circuit? Now look at here. Now is it my equivalent circuit of my magnetic circuit? Yes. Now look at here. Here we have current, here we have flux. Here we have resistance, here we have reluctance. Here we have EMF, here we have MMF. Therefore, can I say all three are analogy? Correct? All three are analog each other. Now here I would like to ask you a question. You are talking about high permeability, right? High permeability. Permeability will be available only in one material or depends upon the core medium? Tell me. Permeability will be depends upon the core medium or it will be available only one part? Tell me. Permeability. Yeah, core medium. Suppose if the core medium is air. Suppose if the core medium is air. Tell me. Core medium air. What is our relative permeability of air? Tell me. Relative permeability of air. Relative permeability of air. Perfect. Everybody knows that. That is one. You know everything here. Tell me. Suppose if core medium is let us say silicon steel. I don't want exact answer. Just you tell me what is the relative permeability. Is it more than one or less than one? You tell me. It means very large value, very small value. Only one answer. Only one answer. Very large value or very small value. Everybody should respond. Here only pura ki pura concept will milega. If silicon steel is less permeable, no. Silicon steel permeability is more, very large. Very large, yes or not? Why? Look at here. Magnetic core material is there. Air gap is there. Look at this air gap. Look at this much air gap is there. Can you transfer the flux? We cannot transfer the flux, right? Because air gap is there, na? Yes or not? Then how you will transfer the flux? Correct. Therefore, always core medium permeability is high or low, very large value. Let us say very large value, I will say let us say 1000. Okay? What is the relationship between reluctance as well as your permeability? Come on, tell me. Reluctance and permeability is what? What is the relationship between reluctance and permeability? I will write according to that, you tell me. Inversely, very good, 1 by mu r. Tell me whose reluctance is more? Whose reluctance is more? Air core medium or core medium? Tell me. Air medium or core medium? Which medium? Silicon steel na? Air medium na? Air medium will have more reluctance? Yes. Now look at here. Look at here. I have this situation with me. Look at this. Don't miss any point. I have this kind of situation with me. Current is flowing. Flux is coming. Here, how many core mediums you have? Tell me. If you say that, you are more than enough. Perfect. Tell me. How many core mediums are there? Only 1 or 2? What are those? Come on, tell me. What are those? What are those? 2 mediums are there. Very good, very good. Perfect. One is what? Air and silicon steel. Shabash yaar. If I say made with silicon steel, it is air. Correct? I am just representing that circuit here. Please concentrate here. Don't miss any point. Look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the board. This is air medium. This is core medium. Whose reluctance is more? Come on. Whose reluctance? Both are series, na? Both are series, na? Have taken in series. Whose reluctance is more? Air. Shabash. Shabash. Where is my color marker? Color marker. Let us say reluctance 1, reluctance 2. Can I say reluctance 1 is much greater than reluctance 2? Correct? Now I will give you one basic electrical network question. Very basic electrical network question. Please answer to this. Here I am giving. You have a DC source. 1 ohm. 2 resistors have connected in series. One is 1 ohm, another one is 1000 ohms. 1000 ohms. 1 ampere, let us say 10 amperes current is flowing. 10 amperes current is flowing, or let us say not 10 amperes, you better say 1 ampere. How much voltage? Lagbhag 1000. Lagbhag 1000 means 0.9909 something. Tell me, it is 1000 volts. Listen, 1000 volts. This is how many resistors? You tell me. 1 ohm resistor, 1000 ohm resistor. Correct? 1 ohm resistor, 1000 ohm resistor. How much current is flowing? Just calculate. Just calculate. Tell me. 1000 by 1001. How much? Please concentrate. 100% concept here itself only. If you know this, my sins are over. Tell me. 1000 volts are there. 1 ohm resistance is there. 1000 ohm resistance is there. How much current is flowing? How much current is flowing? Very good. 0.999. You tell me one thing. Across which resistance voltage drop is more? Across which resistance voltage drop is more? Come on. Across which resistance voltage drop is more? Perfect. High resistance. Across voltage drop is more, na? At high resistance, the voltage drop is more, na? Correct? Yes or not? It means, can I say, compared to this 1000 ohm resistance, can I neglect the effect of 1 ohm resistance? Compared to that 1000 ohm resistance, can I neglect the effect of 1 ohm resistance? Similarly, you tell me. Now, it is my producing the flux fly. Flux fly. Tell me, in which medium the flux will, it means the MMF will be more drop. More concentrated MMF will be. Where? Tell me. Where more MMF will be concentrated? Air. Very good. Air. It means, can I say it will neglect core medium? It means core medium we have to neglect or air medium we have to neglect? Come on. Core medium we have to neglect, air medium we have to neglect. core medium. Shabash. Here only pura ki pura concept. Core medium we can neglect, correct? Core medium we can neglect. Sorry, in air gap flux is zero. How to draw? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying here. Flux is zero. I want to prove that only. Just wait, Shivakumar. Just wait. Just let me complete this point. Then I'll come to your point. Okay? Look at that. Tell me, 1000 volts are there. Look at here. 1000 volts are there. Can I say almost all 1000 volts are drop here? I hope you understand what I said. 1000 volts are there. Can I say 1000 volts are drop here? Yes or no? Drop here? Yes, drop here. Therefore, is there any current is flowing to the load? It means 1000 volts are there. 1000 volts drop here itself, na? Is there any voltage across the load? Voltage drop is more, right? There is no voltage across the load, correct? Will the load will run? Will the load will run? Tell me. Will the load will run? No. In the same manner, I have an MMF, I have a flux. I have an MMF, I have a flux. Tell me, I have an air core medium like this. Air core medium like this. Tell me, majority of MMF is available at where only? Air only, na? It means, is there any flux is moving towards to the load side? It means, load side, is there any flux is moving? Load side, is there any MMF available? Come on. Load side, is there any MMF available? Load side. Load side, is there an MMF available? No MMF. If there is no MMF, is there any flux? Come on, tell me. If there is no MMF, is there any flux? No flux. No flux means, is there any induced EMF? No flux means, is there any induced EMF? No. Therefore, tell me, always you want to prefer a low reluctance medium or high reluctance medium? Batao ek baar. In the core itself, always you want to prefer low reluctance medium or high reluctance medium? Yes, low reluctance medium means what? Low drop. Can I say that? Low MMF drop. Low reluctance means less MMF will be drop. Yes? Less flux only will drop over there. Majority of the flux is flowing to the load side. Hence, can I say I am able to transfer my flux from primary to secondary? Can I say that? If I choose a low reluctance means, can I say that I am sending my total flux from primary to secondary without having any much drop? Can I say that? Yes? Come on. That is the beauty of magnetic circuit. Now you tell me, if you want to design any magnetic core, you want to prefer air gap or no air gap? If you want to design any magnetic core medium, you want to prefer any air gap or no air gap? Come on. Air gap or no air gap? No air gap. Ideally zero, but practically small will be there, na? Ideally zero, true, correct. No air gap, ideally zero, but practically small air gap will be there. Yes or not? But we can neglect that. Okay? We can neglect that. I hope it is clear, everybody. I hope it is clear what is the importance of magnetic circuit. Yes or not?